Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today we're going to be doing my go-to twist out. So I'm going to start off with freshly washed hair. Don't judge me. Hey, I do have hang time, as you can see. But we're going to start off with freshly washed hair. And I already parted in 4 sections. I usually parted in 5. I would do 4 and then the 1 in the crown. But today I'm just going to do the 4. I know I probably look a little crusty, but my skin is glowing. But so today we're going to be using the Pantene Go series. I really love these products. I'm probably going to only be using this from now on. You can see this is focusing. But so I'm going to start off. I work with sections and I do the LOC method, which is the leave-in, the oil, and the cream. So what I'm going to do is start with the back. You guys be having so many questions as far as what I do to my hair, and I really don't do anything. I just do a twist out and sleep on it. Honestly, like there's nothing special. So I start with the leave-in, maybe like a nickel size, maybe a quarter. Rub it in for the back section. And sometimes I get real heavy-handed with my leave-in. That's just me. I like my hair to be drenched because my hair gets really, really dry. And yeah. And I also want to say, like, before I start, just because my hair do a certain thing doesn't mean that your hair is going to do it. Everybody has different kind of hair. And so I don't want you looking at my video and be like, oh, Allie hair does this, you know. So just want to put that out there. So I'm probably going to put a little bit more leave-in on. Really work that through your root all the way to your end, and I'm going to do the prayer hand method with that. So to get this out of my way, I'm going to clamp it over here. I'm going to use my nail. I got long nails, so I'm going to use my nail to kind of part it out. And I usually don't do a thick, chunky twist out. So I will just start with this one. Because the smaller, the more defined that the twist out will be. So I'll just get my clamp. Lord, my hands, my hands is oily. So I just get the clamp. It's leave-in already. Get a little bit of the oil. Put that there, and I'm just taking it section by section because I usually just the big section that I do the leave-in, the oil, and the cream, and then separate it and twist it out. But I'm going to do a little different today. So I get it, and I detangle it, and then I separate it, make sure it's even on both sides, and then I just start twisting. And you twist it all the way down. And as I get to my end, I get my comb with my Demi brush. I brush out my ends to make sure that they're really, really smooth. Wait a minute. Y'all know what I forgot? The curl cream. I'm tripping. Take that loose. You already see that curl popping right now. Can't forget the hydrating buttercream. I don't know why I'm forgetting steps, y'all. So I put the hydrating buttercream on here. And sometimes I might take them down in the morning. Sometimes, depending on where I'm going, if it's really, really cute, I'll throw some makeup on and just wear my twist until I'm ready to take them down. So you twist it all the way down to the end. And I'm sorry, I twist really fast. You get your Demi brush or your comb, whatever you have at the time. Comb those ends out. Twist it all the way to the bottom. This little piece makes it look like I got bad hair or bald spot or something. I promise you I don't. They can vouch for that. So, that's what the twist out looks like. Just a little twist. So, Alright, so now all we have is the top. So I ended up going ahead and parting my little crown like I always do. It just makes it easier for me because those of you who know me, I like to wear my hair in my face. Or if I'm tired of it, some days I put it to the side. So that's why I part it like this, so that I can rock it either side. So it's really going to just be 3 up here. So I'll part that. With my finger, of course. I thought about doing 4, but that's too much. I want it too little. Just a little bit of tangle in. So I'm going to take my Denman brush, tangle that out. And I smooth my ends out like twice. So I smooth my ends out before I start. Again, you separate that. And you twist it. And once you get to those ends to where you can't twist anymore, sometimes I do it before I get to where I can't twist it anymore, so that I know that it's really, really smooth. And I keep twisting. And when I get to where I can't anymore, I wrap it around my finger. So that's that twist. I'm gonna do this side. Then brush. Smooth the ends out. Separate it. You start that twist off strong so they won't come loose, and you just twist it all the way down. Before you get to where you can't twist it anymore, smooth them out again, grab it, separate again, keep twisting. And then you just turn it around your finger. Sometimes I might get some extra cream or something. I'll turn it around again. Alright, so we done. So I promise y'all, this is all I do. Like, this is it. And I might take my blow dryer when I want to stretch it before it dries. And I just pull them, stretch them out, and then take the blow dryer up and down the twist. But as far as doing anything to them, like, and I can't think I broke my hair off right here, but it's cool, still got a handful of hair. But yeah, I'll just twist it out, and this is it. So I usually sleep on it or walk around with them. And if I walk around with them, I'll probably pin them back or something. 9 times out of 10, I don't walk around with them. So yeah, this is it. Alright guys, so we're back. So I let it air dry overnight, and this morning when I woke up, I cannot talk. This is so frustrating. But this morning when I woke up, I went ahead and took them down. As you can see, they popping. So I left these 2 up so that I can show you how I take them down. So I haven't put any oil on it, so honestly, I just take the oil and run it all through my hair. And so when I take these down, I really just unravel them. It's really that easy. Unravel them. So when I take them down, I'm gonna start with the back. Well, I'll start with this one. I just separate them wherever it wants to come loose at. And I take my time so it won't be frizzy. Wherever you want to come loose at. And then once you take that loose, you just coil your ends. And that's easier for me, and it keeps it from being so frizzy. Because who want to spend all their time twisting their hair and then now you gotta do something else to it because it's so frizzy? Nobody.
So as I said before, all you do is take it apart where it wants to come apart at naturally. And you just make sure that you take your time and coil around your ends. If it is frizzy, ladies, just go ahead and take your curl cream or your gel and just put it on there. So now I'm going to finish taking the rest of my hair down and I'll be back.
Woo! This is it. So bigger is better for me. Like what you saw before, I can't deal with. And all I did was pick it out. And I put a little heat to my roots. And I always do this, not too much. Just pull it, put the heat to your roots and be done. Like, that's all I do. And I just want to point out something. I used the whole line in this video. Pantene is bomb. Pantene Gold Series, you guys. You want to know what I've used on my hair? This is what I use on my hair. This is probably what I'm going to use on my hair in every video after this. Unless I'm, you know, reviewing another product or something. But other than that, yeah, Pantene. Bomb. Get you some. Like, I got it from Dollar General and I probably spent no more than $15 for 5 products. So, you know, you can't lose. You have to invest in your hair. If you don't take care of your hair, it's not going to look good. You can't expect to get good results if you're not putting in good products. Period. And I've been using Pantene since my hair was relaxed. So I already knew when they came out with the Gold Series that it was everything. And it is. So they only proved my point. So that was the end of my go-to twist out video, you guys. So if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do that now. Like and comment below if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. And remember, happy curls, happy girl. Bye.